So the Touch Pro Duo system forms the central hub through which you access and control many of the vehicle's systems. You can display multiple functions across the two center screens. They're both touch activated.
Talk me through the climate controls right down here on the lower touchscreen.
I'm very happy to, but first I just want to let you know that the lower screen gives access to more than just the climate control. But first, as you asked, let's go ahead and take a look at the climate. Please touch that icon there.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah, so now you have full control of the front climate. You've got 2-zone temperature, we've got the fan speed, air conditioning, defrost, etc.
And of course, it's such a nice graphic. You can almost see it in action.
Oh, it is beautiful resolution. Next, we're going to touch the seats icon.
Okay.
There you go. Now you've got access to the heated and cooled front seats.
So it's just as simple as that. I just touch them, hot or cold, and I can control your seat as well as mine.
You can, but you maybe worry about your own seat for now. Next, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and pull down that widget. If you just swipe down, you'll see that you now have access to the media and the phone. And if you'd like to go between them, you just swipe left or right.
Okay, so it doesn't matter, left or right, it's whatever is your preference. Okay.
Very nicely done. But we've got another icon to talk about here, that is the vehicle icon. Please touch that for me. And what we're looking at here is terrain response, which is a signature feature that's found on all Land Rover vehicles, including Velar.
And of course, before you used to use dials to control that. Now it's all on the touchscreen.
It makes it look beautiful and clean inside, I think, with the wonderful touchscreen. So you can basically program this to show whatever functions you want. So for example, if you wanted to default to display the phone functions, just go ahead and touch settings.
Okay.
There that is, yeah. Now you can choose the function that you want to see. So for instance, you can see...
Oh, so if I go here, I've got climate, seats, driver modes, and phone and media.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really, and last use. I guess that's really handy.
Well, if you want to go ahead and touch last use, that'll mean that the screen will show the last used function the next time you start the ignition.
Okay, that is absolutely perfect. Very intuitive, even for a man like me.